I understand that my unboxing is months behind everyone else's, and I wish I had a better excuse for you as to why that is. The truth is, I just hadn't gotten around to it yet, but I still want to do the unboxing. So if you're interested in what I got in my Beautylish Lucky Bag, it is the XL version. Keep on watching. We're going to get started right now. I'm assuming by now you know what a lucky bag is, but it's usually on sale the day after Christmas. You can do a small one or a large one. They also have an option where you can buy one and it will also gift one. It's kind of a charity give back type of thing. So I'm not going to go too much into the details. They usually sell out every year, and it's a fun way to get a variety of brands from Beautylish to try out. So today I'm going to see what I got in mine. So I did get the XL. So let me put that out there. First thing I see is actually a palette, looks like. And this is, oh, okay, this is the Groundwork palette, Blooming Romance, Danessa Myrick. Now, I know that she originally launched with a brown, like a neutrals palette, and it has a cream and a powder. And I guess this is really pretty. It's like a silvery, a purple eggplanty, very shiny and pretty type of package. So there's that. Let's pull this up. Oop. Okay, so we've got the little placard. We've got this is a nice heavy package too. So let's put this up here. Hopefully you're seeing it. But it's very pinks and kind of eggplant, mauve, purple. Not typically all of my favorite colors, but I'm willing to give it a shot. We'll see how it goes. So my camera freaked out and I'm recording this again. That's okay. We're going to keep going. So the next item that was in there was the Kitsch recycled plastic claw clip. And one thing that was kind of interesting about it is kind of flat along the bottom that would be on your head. So that's kind of cool. The next thing that was in here was from Natasha Denona, and this is some sort of trio, 2 blushes and a highlighter. So that was fun to get. Then from Chantecaille, there was a lip chic in a like very magenta pink color. So I know Chantecaille is very expensive. The following item was the Renewing Scalp Moisturizer by Jupiter. So there is that. And there was also this Fluorescent Radiance Facial Cream. And I have never heard of this brand before, so I don't know anything about it. But we'll go ahead and look at the packaging here. Very nice. Looks like it's kind of fell off to the side there. And we got the Niacinamide Brightening Toner from Good Molecules. This thing gave me a paper cut on as I was opening it. And then I believe this was the last item. This was from Surratt, and this is a lid lacquer, and it was kind of a taupey shade like this, kind of a brown. So last but not least, I did get a brush from Sonia G, and not to be ungrateful because Sonia G brushes are great, but 3 years in a row I've gotten 3 Sonia G fan brushes. Any other face brush would be great. Any other face, it's always the fan brush. Anyways, I digress. If I recall correctly, that is everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items, I believe that is. So I know that this unboxing is very late. I'm sorry about that, but I still wanted to share it with you. If you also got a lucky box, go ahead and comment below what you got because I'm curious. And I know this video is super short because I had to refilm it and I already unboxed everything, but maybe that's good. I don't know. I hope you enjoyed this video. Anyway, I'll see you in another one very soon. Bye, y'all.